I'm Mary Rogers, and this is the Cuisinart Supreme Grind Burr Grinder. It's great, especially if you are a coffee lover. It's important to grind your beans right before you're brewing your coffee for the freshest, most flavorful cup. This product is really interesting because you can set it for anywhere from 4 to 18 cups by sliding the bar. And what happens is when you hit start, it will grind exactly the right amount of coffee that you need for your coffee maker. The other thing that's nice is it's a half-pound hopper, which is removable. So is the lid. So you just pour your beans right in. Put the lid on. And I should also mention this is the removable chamber that holds the ground beans. It holds up to enough coffee for 32 cups. You just choose your size and you hit the power bar. And today I'm just going to choose 4. You hit start and it's automatically going to grind the exact amount of beans that you want. But something I should mention is that it goes from fine just by twisting this all the way to coarse. And fine is used for espresso and coarse would be used for things like French press. Today I'm going to put it on medium and I'm just going to hit start. And there you have it. And then all you do is you remove the chamber in the front here. You don't even have to remeasure your coffee. You just put it right into the filter and you'll have a beautiful, fresh and flavorful cup of coffee by using the Burr grinder.
The Baratza Encore, the go-to home coffee grinder for both new coffee fans and longtime aficionados alike. A simple on-off switch and convenient pulse button make for user-friendly grinding. No fuss, just fresh ground coffee. The ground's catch bin has a max fill line to prevent overfilling. The Encore has 40 separate grind settings for precise control of grind size. Just turn the hopper to select the perfect grind for your brew. The Baratza Encore is built with quality parts and is fully user serviceable. Enjoy cafe quality coffee at home with Baratza Encore. We grind, you brew.
Our entry-level model, a great all-purpose grinder, and a unit that has 40mm steel conical burrs that adjust through the 40 steps of adjustment from French press coarse to filter medium all the way down to an espresso fine grind. These burrs are driven by a powerful DC motor that's activated with an on-off switch on the side. You can turn it in either direction, or a pulse button on the front that'll run the motor for as long as you hold it. Looking at the clear hopper, it holds around 10 ounces of whole beans, and the clear grounds bin has a fill line to indicate when it's time to empty it out.
How to use the BREW Conical Burr coffee grinder. Slowly rotate hopper to select grind size, from 1 for fine to 15 for coarse. Slide grounds container onto base until it clicks into place. Turn dial to desired time and press the OXO button to grind. The dial stays at your set time for a quick, one-touch start. To stop grinding, press the OXO button at any time.